Hey everybody, today we're going to be unboxing this LED dimmable fan. I like the fact that this fan is lightweight and it's very slim, so it can fit on any ceiling. And I also like that it has a latch so that when you are hooking up the power wires, it's latched onto the ceiling, so that if you're doing this by yourself, it's fairly easy. This is the final product. It looks really nice. Let's get a clear view from all around. Very easy. Took me about 10 minutes to install. Now you can scan this QR code and it will take you to a page where you can download the smart app, or you can use the remote control. With the remote control, you're able to adjust the hue and the brightness to the user's liking. So you can turn it to cool white, or you can take it up and turn it into warm white. Just depends on what you like and what your setting is looking like. We're going to turn on the fan on speed 1. There are 6 speeds on this fan, and to be honest, every single level is very quiet. So doing a test, I realized that even at speed 6, you get about a little less than 35 decibels. So it's very nice. There's also a button on the remote that you can use, and you can change the direction that the fan spins. So you can do this during the winter to maintain the indoor temperature. And like I mentioned, you can infinitely dim it to any color that you like, from cool white to warm white. And it's really nice that you have that flexibility. I really do hope that you get this fan as I enjoyed it. You can use the code below and you can get 20% off your purchase.